Time and money are powerful tools that, when mastered, can lead to freedom and abundance. This presentation will guide you on transforming your relationship with these essential resources, inspired by the wisdom of Napoleon Hill. The journey to financial mastery begins with desire, faith, a definite plan, and persistent action. These elements form the foundation of the Think and Grow Rich formula, empowering you to align your life with abundance and purpose. To master time, shift your mindset by focusing on results rather than tasks, and treat every hour as an investment. Implement Napoleon Hill's strategy by creating a definite purpose schedule and prioritizing your most important tasks daily. Money is a tool, not an evil. Your beliefs shape your financial reality. Adopt Napoleon Hill's strategy by defining a clear aim for wealth and speaking your vision into existence. Align with wealth-minded individuals to nurture your financial growth. True mastery is when your calendar and cash flow reflect your calling. Track your time and money, automate wealth-building habits, delegate low-value tasks, and focus on maximizing productivity to align time with money effectively. Enhance your mindset with the 3T journal, decision filters, and powerful affirmations. These exercises will help you become the master of your time and the architect of your wealth, acting purposefully and growing exponentially. Napoleon Hill reminds us that belief and purpose can achieve anything. Embrace the 30-day challenge to rethink your time and money decisions, using the Think and Grow formula daily. Join the community for more transformational tools and resources.